From the moment you walk through the doors of BPY, you are struck with a feeling. The warmth, the love, the care, the dynamic energy, the creativity, and the excitement permeate our hallways. From the personalized Hallmark BPY welcome that each child receives each morning.
Boker Tov, are you ready for a great day?
BPY children know that they are loved and valued every minute of every day, and that BPY is their home away from home. Whether it's exploring famous artists to enhance our studies of Parashat HaShavua, using authentic Hebrew language to promote our sense of Jewish identity and love of Israel, or encouraging our children to ask questions about anything and everything to support their literacy, math, science, and STEM development, there's always something amazing happening in our classrooms. BPY early childhood children are curious, enthusiastic thinkers and learners who love coming to school each day. The midot of kindness, hakarat hatov, gratitude, derech eretz, and respect for all start right here as we use collaborative problem-solving approaches and proactive ways of helping mold and shape our children into fine B'nai and B'not Torah. A BPY early childhood education lays the foundation for success in learning and in life, and the strong early childhood skills they learn here set them up for a bright and promising future.
At BPY, we aim to inspire, challenge, and engage each learner. We teach our students the skills necessary to apply them in real-world situations. The workshop method is utilized to help our students learn the skills necessary to communicate effectively and be able to reflect and respond to literature. This methodology allows us to differentiate our instruction and teach each student at their instructional level. They are encouraged to use their skills to bring about change and make our world a better place. In math, the elementary school uses Singapore math, which helps students transition from a concrete understanding of the concepts to the ability to use numbers and symbols to demonstrate an abstract mastery of the content. In middle school, the classes are leveled and fluid. Our study of history and science utilize the students' experiences and world knowledge as they pique their interests and feed their curiosity. Our plethora of specialties, electives, special programs, and extracurricular teams allow our students to use multiple intelligences to strengthen their growth. BPY also invests in developing and nurturing our students' social-emotional growth. Our mission is to build a warm, caring, and devoted community dedicated to nurturing empathic, happy, and self-fulfilled human beings.
Am Echad, Lev Echad is the motto of Ben Porat Yosef. Tefillah at BPY celebrates the richness of both Sephardic and Ashkenazic heritages and traditions. This creates a tangible connection to the Jewish people that goes back generations. At BPY, Limudei Kodesh are not just subjects, but experiences in time travel. Creativity, multisensory instruction, and imagination are key components in imparting meaningful learning. Students sing and dance, build and activate all the senses to connect and feel. For example, our creative teachers dress up and lead our students on a journey through the desert to Eretz Yisrael, with Moshe and Yehoshua alongside them, bringing the adventures of Torah to life for our students. The experiences, combined with an emphasis on strong Torah skills, deep thinking, and chavruta learning, make for a very unique environment. BPY brings Eretz Yisrael home. Our Shlichim programs instill an authentic sense of Zionism, midot, values, fluency in Ivrit, and a true love of Am Yisrael, Eretz Yisrael, and Klal Yisrael. All while in an atmosphere filled with ruach and simcha.